Hey everyone! Today I'm here with all my princess friends, Elsa, Snow White, Rapunzel, Anna, and Cinderella, and they want to have a competition to see who can make the prettiest Play-Doh dress. Well, I think it's going to be me! In your dreams, Snow White. Okay, easy ladies. Let's go ahead and get started to see who can make the prettiest Play-Doh princess dress. Who wants to go first? Ooh, pick me! I wanna go! Okay, you can be first, Anna. Yes! Okay, Anna, let's get our tools. We have our Play-Doh scissors, our rolling pin, and our sculpting knife. We're missing one thing. Oh yeah! Lots and lots of Play-Doh. Let's go! Oh wow, Anna, your dress is beautiful, and I especially love those white roses. Okay, who's next? Okay, Cinderella, are you ready? Let's go! Cinderella, your dress looks gorgeous. And I love the sash. It's beautiful. Next up, we have Elsa. Let's go. Oh, Elsa, how elegant. I just love that sparkly bow. Alrighty, next. Well, it looks like Snow White is ready to go. Oh, Snow White, that dress is beautiful. I love how it just flows. Now it's Rapunzel's turn. Are you ready? Wow, Rapunzel, you look absolutely beautiful. I just love all those flowers. All right, everyone, now it's your turn. Who do you think made the prettiest princess dress? Do you want to see these girls in a fashion show? Let us know in the comments. And while you're at it, subscribe right here to the Engineering Family for more fun videos with Play-Doh and princesses and so much more. Also, don't forget to click the thumbs up to show you like the video. That way we know we can make more. Bye everyone!
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!